my channel. It's your girl Keela K. If this is your first time on my channel, be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, because it's only up from here. So I know it's been a while since I've been on YouTube. I'm back for good. I have so many things to update you guys on for those of you who are subscribed already. So I'm going to be having new videos on every Wednesdays and Saturdays, so be sure that you subscribe and turn on those post notifications, because listen, we got to get these looks together. We got to get these vlogs, this lifestyle, this everything. I have so much in store for you guys, so be sure to subscribe. So today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me. It's going to be a 3-in-1. So I'll be doing my makeup, hair, wardrobe, lights, camera, action, everything. So stay tuned and let's get into this video. Okay, to start off, I'm going to be using this lip sleeping mask called Laneige. It is really good. I love keeping my lips moisturized while doing my makeup. I'm also going to be using this other product from Laneige. It is a glowy makeup serum. So I use it as my primer and kind of rub it all over my face. Then I'm going to go in with my foundation. This is my MAC foundation in the color NC45. So I just put it all over my face, a few dots here and there, and just kind of blend it all in with my beauty blender. Now please make sure your beauty blender is wet. So I'm going to take my blending brush from Revlon. This is actually my first time using it. It was leaving a lot of it was like shedding. So I was like, you know what, I don't think I could do this. So I had to go ahead and switch it because it was just doing too much. So I got the brush that I normally use, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it all in. Now that that is all blended, I'm gonna be going in with my concealer. This is the Full Spectrum CoverGirl All Day Idol Concealer. So it's a brightening concealer. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it all over, use my beauty blender and just tap it all in. Now it didn't really give me the effect that I wanted, so I was like, you know what, hold up, let me go ahead and do something a little more aggressive. So I'm gonna go in with my Huda Beauty concealer, and I'm just gonna go over the same areas because I wanted it to be more dramatic. So you already know I had to go ahead and do all that and all that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tap it all in, and you know, just kind of use my beauty blender again and go over all the same areas. Okay, because a girl has to conceal for the gods, honey. Okay, when I tell you I love this product, now I'm going to be going in with my Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the color Espresso. So I like to put that on my cheeks, down my nose, on my forehead, on my chin. You got to snatch that chin, honey. And, you know, got to let the forehead look like it's popping. So I was goofing right here. I don't know what I was listening to. Probably some Moneybagg Yo. But I'm gonna go ahead and blend it all out again with my wet beauty blender, and just make sure, you know, I'm not leaving anything behind. So I usually like to do this as much time as I need to, because I want to make sure that it's fully blended and it's not like a harsh line, you know, at the sides or down my nose or anything. So you can go over that as much time as you need until you feel like, you know, it is perfection, because perfection is key, and this is it on that. Okay, so you already know the vibes. So moving on to the next step now, I am getting ready to bake. When I tell you I love these products, I really love them, as you can tell. So I blend both of these together. This is from Primark, My Perfect Color Loose Mineral Powder. Let me see. And ColourPop No Filter Setting Powder in the color Banana. So I really love these two products. And the other product is in I believe toffee. So yeah, these two products, I mix them together and I just kind of put them on my face and then blend it all out. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply my blush. This is going to be from Revlon number 022 in Kiss Me Coral. I recently started using this product, and let me just tell you, it is really good. So I like to put it on my nose, my forehead, the side of my cheeks, my chin. I recently started using this product as well. This is the CoverGirl True Blend Super Stunner Liquid Highlight Illuminator, and I'm not mad at it. So I use it first just to kind of highlight my nose, above the bridge of my nose, and a little bit on my forehead. So I like to put this first, and then I go ahead and put on my highlighter. Now I'm going to be going in with the Great Brow Basics from Benefit Cosmetics. When I tell you I live by this product, this is literally like the only thing I use on my brows. So I usually get the brush and then I start brushing my hair. It's two-sided, so one has a brush and the other side has the actual pencil. So I take the smaller pencil, start drawing the lines on my brows, and then of course I open the other side. This is the product I was talking about that has two sides, and I just kind of darken my brows. I don't make them too thick. I kind of try to stay within, you know, the space of my brows. So I draw a line underneath and then darken the area, and then I go ahead and conceal it. Now I will be concealing it with the first concealer only because it wasn't so harsh. Okay, now that I'm done with the brows, I'm going to be using the Bretman Times ColourPop Lit palette. I'm going to be using the color Or Whatever, Macchiato, as well as Clio Amore. So I'm just going to go ahead and do my eyeshadow. I'm going to do this part really quickly. Now that that's on, I'm going to go ahead and use my eyeliner, which is from Wet n Wild, the Mega Liner. Now I'm not going to be doing a wing. I'm just going to do a straight line so that my lashes can be a little bit more defined, but I don't want to do a wing and kind of take away from the eye look. So this part, take your time and really, you know, get it dark, get it popping, have it looking cute. Now I'm going to use my lashes from my local beauty supply store, the INB lash. I believe this is number 15, but you can use any lash you want, of course. Now I usually use bonding glue because sometimes my eyes get really watery and it's hard, like regular lash glue, it just won't stay. So I do that. Now I'm going to go over my highlight again with the Rimmel London Lasting Finish Breathable Finishing Powder, as well as my MAC highlighter in the color Oh Darling. So I'm just going to take a brush and highlight my chin, nose, forehead, the bridge of my nose, and my cheek, and just have a really cute poppin' look. Okay. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, there we go. Now I like to line my lip. So before I do that, I just wipe the lip primer off. So I'm gonna take my NK eyeliner pencil, which is from my local beauty supply store as well. I like my lips to look a lot fuller, so I like to put lines in the middle of them as well. I'm going to be using the Makeup Shayla Times ColourPop collab in the color Slow Down. Just kind of rub that together. Got me a fresh pair of lip gloss. So I'm going to put my lip gloss on and finish it with some setting spray, which is also from ColourPop. So now that that's done, okay guys, now that our makeup is all done, looking cute, we ready to hit these streets, we're gonna move on to the hair. So I got my hair done yesterday. It's not much to do, but I'm just gonna revive it, bring it back to life, and just look like a whole snack, you feel me? So let me go ahead and take this off. This is how I usually keep my hair protected. My baby hairs and my adult hairs, you know, gotta get this to keep it together. So this is how it looks. So I'm just gonna take my hand and kind of like play with it a little bit, flip it out. I don't know, I kind of debate all the time if I want to wear it wet or wear it out, but I'm gonna wet it a little bit and put some mousse, not too much. So you get a little spray bottle, put conditioner and water, and I'm just gonna spray it. This hair is from Missy Hair Boutique. It's a bob. So that's pretty much it. I think it's 12 inches. So not too much because I don't want it too flat, but just to give it a little curl. Tell me if you like my hair and my makeup in the comments. You know, let me know and all that and all that. So let me see if I like it like this. Maybe wet the ends a little bit more. Tell me in the comments if you like it wet or when it was dry and I just like kind of combed it out with my finger. So I'm gonna take a little bit of mousse. This is a Luxury Essential Mousse Fast Day Salon Formula. It gives it like, it's lightweight, soft touch, super hold, and it's like a 24-hour hold. So I'm just get a little bit and just run it through my curls. So it's nothing too crazy, nothing too intense. I want to start doing hair videos too, but I'm not really good at hair. So if I ever get better, y'all already know I'm coming with the videos, and that's just on period. You feel me? I love this color though. Like, I really love this color on my skin. I feel like it brings out my face and my features. So let me know if you like this color on me as well in the comments. Now, my baby hairs is not that much to do. They look pretty good. Yeah, they look pretty good. I'll probably just take some Eco Gel. Everything is still in place, but this side is kind of out of place. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of gel and try to bring it back to life a little bit. So just a really little bit. Kind of lay it back down. Okay, that should be good. Okay, so our hair is done. Let's move on to the outfit. Now moving on to the outfit. This hat is from Pretty Little Thing. This outfit is from Fashion Nova, the Chelsea PU legging set, as well as pair it with some clear heels. So this is a really cute look. You can dress it up, dress it down, play around with it a little bit, maybe throw on some shades if you're feeling like a superstar that day. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.